It was a sunny day in Lisbon, Portugal, the 8th of July, 1497. Vasco da Gama was ready for the journey of a lifetime with his 170 crew members and 4 loaded ships. At the signal of King Manuel, anchors were lifted, and Vasco da Gama was on his way to India. They sailed on for 4 months with no sight of land. Naturally, they were overjoyed when they saw in the distance what is now South Africa. They dropped anchors at a place where the Berg River meets the St. Helena Bay. Because there was no GPS back then, some of the crew members went to the shore to take readings of the sun's altitude for navigation. And what did they see there? A member of the African Bushman tribe. They brought this guy on board and treated him well. He went back and obviously told his friends how nice the Portuguese were. Because the next day, more Bushman people came to the shore. Not knowing their language, Vasco tried to show them some samples that he was carrying of spices and gold, trying to check if they have any of those things. But the tribals had none. So the crew bought some of their curios made of shells. One of the curious crew members then went to the shore with the Bushmen and tried to accompany them into their houses to see how they lived. The Bushmen didn't like that at all, and they started chasing him with weapons. Vasco and his crew were forced to lift anchors and flee from the place. The expedition then rounded the Cape of Good Hope and landed at Moselle Bay, a land of elephants and big cattle. The locals there welcomed Vasco and exchanged their ivory bracelets for Portuguese toys. Then a display of talents began. The locals started playing the flute and they danced. The Portuguese, including Vasco, played their trumpets and danced. The fun lasted only until another misunderstanding arose and the Portuguese were forced to leave again, this time firing cannons to scare the locals. The first 2 stops in Africa had led to misunderstandings and hostilities. There was a long way to go and more stops in Africa. When and how would Vasco ever reach India? Want to know what happens next? Like listening to stories? Subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook to stay with us on this journey in search of India. As always, we hope you enjoyed this story revival and will be back soon for more.